Hi, I'm Timothy and I'm going to go through another one of LessonUp's great AI tools. This time it is making quiz questions from within your slide presentation. So what we have here is one of my old PowerPoints I've uploaded. That's another thing you can do as well. You can watch another video for that if you'd like. I'm not going to talk about that right now. But anyway, I've uploaded a very old PowerPoint of mine, converted it into LessonUp, and imagine I'm in the process of making it more interactive, streamlining it, doing all those things. Anyway, what we're going to do is we can say, I've got lots and lots of facts here about this character in The Importance of Being Earnest, and it's Lady Bracknell. So what you do is you right click, you see the little robot, you've got Make Interactive with AI, click on that. And what we can do is we have options here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number of questions there. So we can actually go and very quickly put the question is, review it obviously as well. It's AI output, so don't take it necessarily at face value straight away. Always check it. That is actually correct. We can tick that. If we don't like what we've done, we can change the prompt. If we want to refine it a little bit more, change the focus maybe, we could do that. But we can create slide. There we go. So now we've got a quiz question and we're ready to customize that with all the great features we have of editing we can actually do. Anyway, we can go through all of these, do the same thing, make interactive with AI. Let's get a question off of this slide. And here we go. We can actually then say, okay, we've got multiple here. So we could say, what role does Lady Bracknell serve in the play? Okay, so we can put this one in if we like that. In it goes. We can do multiple right clicks here, or little multiple checks I should say, and then I'm going to right click it. We go all the way down through here. Anyway, let's just go with this one, right click all these multiple slides here, and now I can do multiple. I can also change the language as well if I want to. We have all of these options here, create and watch as the magic happens. We then have, there we go, so we can have review all of these again as well. Might refine some of these looking at it. So it's more Oscar Wilde is using those devices for the character to say. So this is where your personal authority and knowledge would come through. You might want to run it again. So you think, okay, I don't want lots of multiple choice, multiple answer, multiple choice questions. So there's plenty of options there. So it's a lovely little shortcut. I used to spend ages making quizzes. My students always loved a quiz, and this speeds up the process massively as well. If you want to do more than 5 questions, obviously you can just do it in those kind of multiple batches, maybe after every slide. There's a lot of flexibility there as well. Anyway, thank you for watching this, and watch the other videos if you want to find out more about some of the other things I mentioned here today as well. So thank you very much and goodbye.